AEEDEA.com, and these are all the countries actually we have shipped to till date.
So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Satish back again with another vlog, and today with a little bit special one, especially to all the Harley owners over there and also to the people who are planning to buy a Harley in future. So trust me guys, this is gonna be really worthy, so please watch this video till the end. And today's vlog is gonna be about a workshop which deals with only accessories and a lot of modifications on only Harleys. And I've got a lot of things to tell about this particular beautiful place, but before that, just have a look at a short interaction with Mr. Sandeep sir, who is running this beautiful venture with his partner, and then I'll come back and let you know everything you guys got to be knowing about this place. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Satish back again with another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. And today I am in a place which most of us don't know in Bangalore. Being in Bangalore, I didn't know about this place, but a subscriber from Delhi had let me know about this thing, and I regret of not knowing this place before itself. I'll explain everything in detail, but before that I have something to ask to Mr. Sandeep sir. So let's speak to him. So this is Mr. Sandeep sir. Sir, can I know like what and all products you have, like fast moving products?
Yes, so we have been designing products for Harley Davidson motorcycles for the past 10 years now. The most popular ones are things like heat shields, concentric, variable sound exhaust. We've got rider companion backrest. Our seats are also selling very well. But we have a wide array of products. I motivate your subscribers to go on to aedea.com, AEEDEA.com. You can just maybe show this. AEEDEA.com, and these are all the countries actually we have shipped to till date. So this is a basically workshop come garage, whatever you may want to call it. Some of the work that you can see, like the side panels on the Superloop, even on the soft tail over there. We do the bat wings. There's a large array of products we do, Chetan. And these are all products designed by us. We are not into imitation. We don't make what Harley does. We do what we do, and customers tend to like our stuff. Maybe you can also showcase some of the quality aspects of the product. Like these are some of the products done by us. As you can see, they're all made out of very heavy gauge metal. The quality of chrome is superior. The windshields they're all done by us. These are our heat shields that I was talking about.
We'll ask about this one.
So a lot of people riding big engines, they get thigh burn, especially in low-speed traffic.
Yes.
So these are not just plastic; these are also based inside with a heat-resistant material. So it doesn't allow the heat to come this side, and the profiling is such that it just deflects it under your thighs. It doesn't suffocate the engine.
So that's it from Sandeep sir. So let's have a short walk around to the Ajar's workshop. So this is it, and there is the street glide of Mr. Sandeep sir standing over there, and at the right side is the modified Royal Enfield, and there is the Softail as well as the Superlo 883. So all these bikes belong to Mr. Sandeep sir. So all the bikes are fully loaded with accessories as well as modified very well. So the Hardier.com have a number of options on exhaust sounds where you can adjust the volume of the exhaust sound from 30 decibels to almost 80 decibels according to your needs, and the prices are also very less, which will cost you just 15 to 20k, and that too with a lifetime warranty. So what else do we want guys? And by the way, this is for the streets, so you will also get the same options to all other Harleys, but the prices may just vary a bit. So just in case if you want to have a backrest on a Street 750 here in Bengaluru, then you got to pay almost 32 to 33k in the Harley Davidson showroom. So in the Adia.com, if you can pay the same 30 to 35,000 Indian rupees, you will get the whole touring setup for the same cost for a Street 750. The Audio.com have a lot of options when it comes to the backrests, that too with very reasonable prices. So you can get 2-in-1 rider companion backrest or CC bar backrests, or also the good looking backrests only for the pillions, and these things adds beauty to the looks of your bike than the normal looks. So the heat deflectors are one of the fast moving products and one of the most essential products to your bike, especially if you have a Harley, because it will be very useful to you in the city traffic as well as long rides. The forward foot control is the option where we can get to stretch our legs a bit more forward, like how we can find in the bigger Harleys, because that helps us to ride more comfortably in the highways. And guys, I don't want to make this video a lengthy one for all of you, so I'll just tell you guys about the products and mods available here, and in case you guys want any explanation, comment down and I'll answer you guys and try to make a video on that.
And your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where.
So that's it guys, hope you all liked it. If yes, do show some love in forms of like, shares and comments, and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And I would like to thank Mr. Mridul Kashyap, because of him only I got to know about this place. And I would also like to thank Mr. Sandeep sir, because he was the one who gave me opportunity to make a video on his workshop. So I think this video was useful to you guys. So till the next time, see you all, bye bye, take care.